Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a JBI Spec WP to KYB SSS Fork Conversion. These forks are from a 2020 KTM 250 SX. We put in the JBI off-road spec. This rider races off-road and hare scrambles here in California. Their typical speeds while riding is second, third, and fourth gear. I'd say the majority of the time they are in third gear. Clicking up to fourth, sometimes fifth for some brief, fast sections, and then clicking down to second gear for the more slower technical sections. But most of the riding is very momentum based as they ride. So it is a rather plush setting, but not super soft. So it still has some good hold up for the faster speeds and big impacts, such as whoops and G-outs. Previously, these forks had the WP AER air forks inside of them. With the KYB kit, you get new billet lugs. This ensures that the KYB cartridge assembly fits exactly like it should inside of the fork tubes. Also, it allows the continued use of the OEM front wheel and front brake. So just like you would mount up your front wheel with your stock forks, you do the same thing with this kit. Sorry, that is our neighbor test riding a bike real quick. This is a very popular setup. The KYB has been known for a long time as a very positive performing fork. A lot of that has to do with the design of the damper itself. Sorry, a lot of noise going on today with the plane going overhead. So what I mean by that is the size of the cartridge rod, how much oil that displaces as it goes into the cartridge body, the size of the damping pistons, the style of the mid valve. They also feature a sub valve inside of them as well. That bike is sounding pretty loud out there. Anyhow, this setup, the JBI Spec WP to KYB conversion kit, is available at ridejbi.com. There's lots of pictures and detailed information about this kit, and you can also see previous builds we have done for people. For this fork, we have setups ranging from very technical single track, flowy single track, off-road riding, motocross, freestyle, and supercross/arena cross. So regardless of what you ride, we have a setup for you. All right, you guys, thank you for watching these videos. I appreciate it. If you like any suspension work done by Ride JBI, give us a call or send us an email. Again, my name is JB.